Hi, I'm Stephanie Morzeski, and I'm majoring in interior design at UW-Stout. I got into interior design because I've always been interested in artistic things, so I took a lot of drawing classes in high school, and I also took an interior design class that my high school offered, and I got a little taste of what it was like. From there, I just fell in love with it. I chose UW-Stout for my education because of the hands-on learning aspect. For example, in our studio classes in interior design, we are required to make physical representations of the textures and the materials and everything like that, but we also learn how to make the digital boards and teach you how to draw and visualize space in a three-dimensional way. What I enjoy most about the interior design program is that it gets you learning about both sides of interior design. Other universities tend to either focus on just the creative side of interior design, or they focus on just the architectural component. Here at Stout, you get both of those things together. The professors here at Stout are one of the things that made me love Stout because they get to know you as a person, they get to know your name, and they're an awesome resource, not just with class materials, but even outside of that too. So your senior year in the interior design program, you get to participate in something called the senior show, which is you work a whole semester on a project and you really dive into this project deep in order to show everything that you've learned and then present that to the campus and to the public. When you start off, it's like doing all those little things that not everyone likes to do. So all of the little technical things, but we learn how to do that. And that's what's great, is that you're prepared for those entry-level positions. But eventually I'd love to be a senior interior designer, actually calling the shots, you know?